Orla Owl has 2 chicks. Orla the owl is in her tree hole home. It's inside the tallest tree in all of Owl Forest. As the moon and stars shine above, Orla watches over her eggs and sings, "Baby 1 and baby 2, I love you, twit-twoo." At night, Orla hears a strange cracking sound, and then, "Cheep, cheep, chirp, chirp." "Oh, my babies, 2 beautiful little babies. I will call you Cheep and Chirp. Cheep, cheep, chirp, chirp." Mr. Rabbit visits the cute owl chicks. He brings a ball for little Cheep and Chirp. Orla takes Cheep and Chirp to Dr. Owl for their vaccination. They are such brave little owls. Cheep, cheep, chirp, chirp. Soon, it's time for Cheep and Chirp's first day of nursery school. They love it. Cheep, cheep, chirp, chirp. Then one day, Cheep cheeps and Chirp chirps. Twit-twoo, twit-twoo. "Oh, my babies, you're all grown up.